In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where Excel will not change the column list of your pivot table after refreshing the Microsoft Excel. So here we have a pivot table, and each column has a width of 15, which is good for presenting because it makes it to where things are formatting. But one of the annoying things is that if we go to refresh a pivot table for new data, get a second to load, all the column lists change. To prevent that from happening, we can go to pivot table analyze, pivot table, now click on options, and from here you want to go to layout, go to layout and format. And there's this box at the bottom that says autofit column list and update. Uncheck that box. Now click OK. Now whenever we go to refresh the pivot table, our values will update if there's new data, and the column list will not change, which is great because this can make our pivot tables more robust and more presentable. We found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.